Hi, I'm Simon from Brushguard, an award-winning gutter protection system that'll keep your gutters clean and your water flowing, no matter what environment your house was built in. It's that voice of reason when you've crashed from the ladder trying to clean your gutters. It's the loud scream from your neighbour when she finds a dead possum stuck in hers. It's super simple to install, it comes in 1 metre lengths, and it's easy to bend around any corner and fit in any gutter style. For peace of mind, Brushguard's prickly body is easily removed for cleaning. It also helps deter vermin from entering your roof. Brushguard's 100% Australian owned and manufactured, and it's made from high quality UV protected polypropylene, which means there's a 10-year guarantee. So get started in 4 simple steps. Choose your gutter style, measure the perimeter of your roof, throw in your details and click order. And we'll deliver to your door for do-it-yourself installation. At Brushguard, we're committed to the protection of Australian gutters.